Introducing the complete popcorn making line by Jas Enterprise, engineered for high-capacity, hygienic, and fully streamlined popcorn production. The process starts with our Jas brand gas and electric-operated popcorn making machine. Built with robust engineering and a precision heating system, it ensures maximum popping efficiency with minimal unpopped kernels. The machine features a pneumatic lifting system, which automatically tilts and unloads the popped corn safely and effortlessly, reducing labor and increasing productivity. Next, the popped corn is transferred into the metered hopper, which regulates and controls product flow for a smooth, uniform feeding rate into the next stage of processing. From there, the product moves onto the conveyor machine and into the rotary drum screening machine. This drum is specially designed to separate uncooked kernels, corn bran, fines, and other small residues, ensuring only clean, fully popped corn continues to the next step. The result is superior product quality and a consistent, premium finish. Finally, the screened popcorn enters the flavoring tumbler, a rotating, stainless steel seasoning drum that evenly coats every kernel with your preferred flavor, whether salty, cheesy, caramel, or masala. Its uniform mixing action guarantees perfect taste, batch after batch. Jas Enterprise, delivering innovative popcorn processing solutions with safety, hygiene, and productivity at their core. Just ahead to serve you the best.